And we're back here at Magic Kingdom. We're here today to walk around, check out all the wait times, and see what it looks like here. So we wanted to bring you along with us as we actually walk around Magic Kingdom. It just stopped raining. It looks like the wait times right now are only like 15, 20. Space Mountain looks like it's about 30-minute wait. So it doesn't look like it's a bad day here at Magic Kingdom. So we want to bring you along with us as we go in some rides and just check out the crowd level. Oh, look at the statue of Winnie the Pooh. I love seeing these around Magic Kingdom. We're gonna start off today's adventure going into Adventureland. So it's just fitting that we head this way. The one attraction here at Magic Kingdom that never has a wait. The ambiance here is so amazing walking across this bridge, headed to the Swiss Family Robinson Treehouse. The view from the top is probably one of the best that you can get of the castle of an aerial shot. I remember growing up and actually watching this movie. It's a classic. I think that's what I'm gonna watch tonight. I haven't watched that movie in such a long time. Right when we get to the first landing, look at the dining room table. I always loved just strolling up this treehouse because it's never busy, but there's so much to see here. This is really funny. Look at all the coins on the bed. I've never seen this before, a wishing bed. It got really busy at the very top, so we didn't want to stop too long, and plus, there is so much more to see. We're gonna head to Pirates of the Caribbean. Of course, that's my favorite attraction here at Magic Kingdom. Ha 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 ha, me mateys, now we go on the 7 seas of Davy Jones. It's listed at 40 minutes, but we're gonna see how long it actually is.
What may I offer for these hearty hens? Every one an egg layer.
Not less they be laying.
The key to the treasure.
The devils and blacks are really bad eggs. Take over the job.
Altogether, we waited about 36 minutes, which actually wasn't that bad for the attraction when it was listed at 40 minutes. When we got in line though, it did switch to 50 because it started to get a little busier on the actual ride. We're gonna keep walking down the way and see how the rest of the park is. It looks like Splash Mountain is under refurbishment. Sadly, we can't get on that today. So everything that we walked past so far was about 30 to 40 minutes, with Peter Pan being 110. We're gonna stop at PhilharMagic because there's a brand new scene for Coco that we want to go and experience, and we're gonna take you along with us. This is the shortest line at Disney. No wonder why. Look, there's no one behind us, and we're about to walk into the theater.
You tell me that it's red, I'm mi amor, I'm mi amor. Where should I put my shoes, I'm mi amor, I'm mi amor. You say put them on one hand, I'm innocent, now count it as a blessing. That I'm only un poco loco.
Make me, it is just un poco crazy, the sense that you're not making
the liberties you're taking leaves my
cabeza shaking.
We're gonna head over to the Little Mermaid, or Voyage of the Little Mermaid. It doesn't look like it's that bad right now. It's only about a 20-minute wait. It looks like it's starting to get busier, so we're gonna head over there right now and take you along with us.
Down in all the fish is happy, as our food is under the sea we up the hook. We got no troubles, life is the bubble is under the giants, the function to me. I believe in the past I've been a nest.
Alright, Alright, so we waited about 20 minutes. So it was correct on the actual posted time, but it was constantly moving, so we didn't actually have to wait that long. We're gonna keep going to a gift shop really quick to see if Lindsay's sweatshirt is there. But if not, then we're gonna take you over to a food location because we're starting to get a little hungry. We're gonna stop for a quick bite because we're starting to get pretty hungry. So I opted in for the footlong hot dog with Walt's famous chili on top. That comes with fries. And then Lindsay opted in for the fries and cheeseburger. Alright, let's try this and see what it's like. Really, really good.
This land of tomorrow.
Oh my gosh, it's starting to get cold. Oh, especially with this breeze on this ride.
Freezing! Florida frozen.
And now, Faraway Transit Authority proudly presents Progress City, Walt Disney's dream for an experimental prototype community of tomorrow. Progress City was the inspiration.
There is the brand new attraction, Tron. It looks like it's come quite a long way from last time I was here.
This time it's laughter thereafter at Monsters Incorporated.
And now that the sun is starting to set here in Florida, they turned on the lights on the castle. Look at the 50th logo and all the ribbon. It is really nice. They did a really great job at decorating. It is really nice out here today. It's a little chilly, but still relaxing. And look at the castle now that the sun is completely gone. Wow, it is really, really nice. We wanted to wait and actually watch the fireworks with you, so we're all gonna enjoy the fireworks behind the castle. And that's gonna do it for today's adventure here at Magic Kingdom. It is really cold here today. It's about 45 degrees, so we're gonna go and get warm. We will be visiting the parks more often and doing other future road trips, so make sure you're staying tuned to the channel by hitting that subscribe button and also hit that like button, just letting us know that you actually liked this video, and hit the notification button so you get notified every time we come out with a future video. Thank you so much for joining us today. Have a great day, week, and year. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!